Hello, I'm Santo and I will take you through how to make money in blogging. Blogging is writing articles known as blogs on topics of your interest for audience and you earn money from them. Most of successful bloggers earn from blogging. Here, a blogger writes a blog for his or her audience and he or she earns money from the blogs that he writes. Let's look at the steps to start blogging and earn money. First, you need a device with internet access. A laptop or a smartphone will do. Just is to access the softwares and the apps. Also, the device will have some internet connection. Number two, softwares and apps. These are to help you in writing and publishing articles online. Softwares like website. If you choose to create one, you need a domain and a hosting, or you can choose to install an app like Blogger on the Play Store. And if you are using a smartphone, then Blogger app will be a better idea. Then on desktop, Blogger website will do. Both you will start blogging for free. You can check them out. Number three, of topics and audience. Selection of the category of topics very key. Hence, you need an eye-catching topic that will attract readers' attention. You can choose a category that has more readers. When it comes to payments and earnings, make sure you link your website or blogger to Google AdSense account, which is easy to create. Google AdSense will review and place ads on your site, and you will be earning ads per click on any blog or article that you publish. 5. You can choose to share your articles on social media using links. Social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, to increase your audience. Here, the more audience you have, the more cash you earn. Then, if you are a beginner, do it part-time, make it a hobby. You can publish 1 or 2 articles daily or weekly. Here, the secret is one. The more readers, the more ads, and the more money you earn. Blogging is a business opportunity. As a business opportunity helps you earn good cash. That's all we had for you in this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share not to miss out on any video. Also, you can watch other videos to learn on various businesses you can start. Bye bye.